I became interested in the Turk project, and for several reasons. The ability to help the environment by educating people about the effects that carbon has on it. I always wanted to help the environment in several ways, and this seemed like a good way for me to do so. The main thing I was tasked and the main thing I had to learn to do was to use and create 3D models in the Unity game engine. I had to create all the assets for the lobby scene that the player first enters when they begin the game. To do so, I had several pre-made shapes and the Pro Builder tool in the Unity game engine to help me along.
My name is Pittenger. I'm an incoming freshman this fall, and I'm going to double major in both computer science and computer simulation and gaming. For this project, I was working on the terrain, which involved placing trees, rocks, and some smaller detailed objects to make the game world look more interesting. I didn't know a lot about Unity's terrain system before the project, so I had to learn a lot about the difficulty of making it look good while also keeping performance in mind, as placing a lot of trees or grass really close together caused a big toll on performance.
The idea of creating an environment for people to learn and understand the use of carbon capture and storage and bettering the conditions of the environment is something I found important and wanted to become involved in. And by becoming involved in this research project, I've been able to learn a lot about the Unity workspace and how I can utilize its tools to create fire effects, which is what I primarily worked on. And also through this project, I've gained a great understanding of game design and development, along with virtual reality, and how useful it can be simulating environments.
I am Eliga Franks. I am a senior major in computer science. This summer, I worked on research in the Unity application. I focused really on the weather aspect this summer. I have learned the ins and outs of the particle system, and I think it was a really fun to learn.
I'm a senior engineering physics student at the University of Tulsa. I hope to graduate at the end of this year and continue on to do my master's and PhD at TU in computer science. I created the UI for the main menu for the game, and it's been just wonderful. And I've learned so much about programming. I've learned so much about just being creative with my programming as well, because my previous experience has been in more mathematical, concrete programming. So this has just been a lot of fun, and there's a lot of fun resources out there to learn from. So I feel like this summer I've really grown as a student, and I feel like I've grown as a programmer and as a game developer. So I'm so grateful for this. And it's been an excellent experience as well, working with really dedicated and wonderful students and a wonderful advisor to really learn and see what it's about. And I've really developed an immense passion for game development and for programming and just having fun and being creative.